Have you ever wondered why dogs live so short compared to humans? It's a question that tugs at the heartstrings of every pet lover. These furry friends, they become such an integral part of our lives, yet their journey with us is often too brief. And it's not just a matter of sentiment, it's a scientific conundrum that has puzzled researchers for years. So what really determines the lifespan of our four-legged companions? Let's dive into the science behind the lifespan of our beloved canine companions. The answer to our question lies in the fascinating world of biology and genetics. Every living organism has what we call a biological clock, an internal rhythm that guides its development, aging, and ultimately, lifespan. Dogs, just like humans, have a biological clock, but their clock ticks at a much faster rate. To understand why, let's delve into the world of genetics. Dogs and humans share a great deal of genetic material, but what makes the difference is how those genes are expressed and how they interact with the environment. The genetic makeup of dogs has evolved to support rapid growth and development. Puppies grow to adulthood within a year or two, a pace much faster than that of human children. This rapid aging process continues throughout a dog's life, making them biologically older than humans of the same chronological age. But what drives this rapid aging process? The answer lies in the cellular level. Dog cells divide at a faster rate than human cells. This rapid cell division is a double-edged sword. On the one hand, it allows dogs to heal wounds and recover from illnesses more quickly than humans. On the other hand, it also accelerates the aging process. Each time a cell divides, it shortens the telomeres, which are the protective caps on the ends of chromosomes. When the telomeres become too short, the cell can no longer divide and becomes inactive or dies. This is where biological time comes into play. Biological time refers to the pace at which an organism ages, and it varies greatly among different species. Dogs, with their rapid cell division and short telomeres, have a faster biological time than humans. But why does biological time vary so much? The exact reasons are still a subject of scientific debate, but it seems to be a complex interplay of genetics, environment, and evolutionary pressures. So, it is their biological clock that makes dogs age faster, leading to a shorter lifespan. And while we may wish our canine companions could stick around as long as we do, it's important to remember that every moment with them is precious, regardless of how the hands of time turn. Did you know that the size of a dog also plays a crucial role in determining its lifespan? In the canine world, it seems, smaller often equates to longer. Yes, you heard it right. Smaller dog breeds tend to enjoy more years of tail-wagging fun than their larger counterparts. But why is this so? Well, it's all down to the stress on their bodies and their rates of aging. Larger breeds grow faster and age quicker, which can put a significant strain on their bodies. Think of it like a machine. The more you push it, the quicker it wears out. On the other hand, smaller breeds grow at a slower pace, which means less stress on their bodies and a slower aging process. This slow and steady approach to growth allows them to live longer, healthier lives. So it may seem counterintuitive, but in the world of dogs, bigger isn't always better. It turns out, when it comes to a dog's lifespan, size does matter. Let's not forget the role of evolution in shaping a dog's lifespan. You see, evolution is all about survival. In the wild, dogs' ancestors had to grow up quickly to fend for themselves against predators and harsh environmental conditions. This rapid maturation, over generations, became part of their genetic code. As a result, dogs developed to reach adulthood faster than many other species, a trait that offered them a survival advantage in the wild. Unfortunately, this faster pace of life also means a shorter overall lifespan. In essence, dogs live their lives in fast forward. Now, domestic dogs don't face the same survival pressures as their wild ancestors, but they've inherited this accelerated biological clock. So, despite our best efforts to provide them with comfortable lives, their genetic programming continues to dictate their lifespan. To put it simply, dogs live shorter lives because their evolutionarily programmed clock runs faster than ours. Evolution has indeed played its part in determining the lifespan of dogs. So, what have we learned today about the lifespan of dogs? We've unraveled the mystery of their biological clock and how genetics play a pivotal role. We've discovered that size does matter, with smaller breeds often outliving their larger counterparts, and we've delved into the role evolution plays in shaping their lifespan. While we may wish our furry friends could stay with us longer, understanding why they live the lives they do can help us appreciate and cherish the time we have with them even more.